Greetings, TutorLMS users. Welcome back to WP Plugins for You. Today, we have an important tutorial for all TutorLMS users who want to create mathematical quizzes using LaTeX. We've received a lot of inquiries about a peculiar issue involving backslashes in expressions. But fear not, because we've got a step-by-step solution for you. Before we begin, make sure you've installed and activated the TutorLMS Quiz Import plugin. This is crucial for our workaround. Now, let's dive into the process. First things first, install and activate the TutorLMS Quiz Import plugin. This will be the key to overcoming the backslash issue. Once activated, head over to the plugin settings page. Here, you'll find an option to download the quiz template. Download the template from the plugin settings page. This template will serve as the foundation for your mathematical quizzes. Now, open the template and fill in the necessary details as per the instructions. Include the quiz title, description, question title, options, and so on. For mathematical expressions such as x caret 2, you can use LaTeX syntax like, "It will automatically import quiz with LaTeX." However, there's a catch. When you try to type expressions like \sqrt x containing a backslash, the typing fails because TutorLMS automatically removes the backslash after saving. This is where our workaround comes in. Instead of using a single backslash, use a double backslash before expressions containing a backslash. So, \sqrt x. This ensures that the backslash is preserved when you save your quiz. For more information, you can see the fastest way to create math quizzes on TutorLMS video on YouTube. Now, save your filled template. Head back to the plugin settings page and import your saved template. Click on the Import button, select your saved template, and there you go. And that's it. You've successfully tackled the backslash removing issue in TutorLMS while creating mathematical quizzes using LaTeX. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and hit that notification bell. Happy e-learning, and see you in the next video.